Hi everyone, I am Triloshni. I am going to tell about wireless LAN technology. Wireless LAN technology is the one of the fastest growing technology because there is a demand for connecting a device without the use of cables is increasing everywhere, and it can be found on college campus and in office buildings and in many public areas. And the advantages of wireless LAN technologies are flexibilities, planning, designing, and robustness. And the advantages of wireless LAN technology is the quality of service with the low bitband and cost is higher compared to wired adapters and the restrictions and safety and securities and the technologies or used in wireless LAN technologies is spread spectrum technology. Spread spectrum technology is used to spread the signal over a wider frequency band through the normal, and it is used to minimize the impact of the inference from the other devices. And it has the two types. First one is frequency knobbing spread spectrum, and then second one is a direct sequence spread spectrum. Frequency knobbing spread spectrum is used to spread spectrum technique that involves transmitting the signal over a random sequence of technology. And the direct sequence spread spectrum means it takes the bit of data is represented by multiple bits in the transmitted signals, and it performs the XOR operations with the pseudo number, and this is called chip sequencing. And here the WAN technology includes the topologies where the WAN technology can be built with infrastructure network topology or ADHOC network topology. Infrastructure topology means that the architecture of network providing the communication between the wireless clients and the wired networks, whereas the ADHOC topology used to support mutual communication between the wireless clients. Then architecture of the wireless LAN is made up of two services, that is basic service set and the extend service set. That one is basic service set is the building block of the wireless LAN, as the basic service set is made up of the stationary or a mobile wireless technology and the optional central based station. This is known as the access point. An extend service set is made up of the two or more basic service set, that means of with access point. In this cases, BSS are connected through a distributed system which is a wired or wireless network. The distribution is connected through the APs in the BSS. And now see the station types of the WAN technology. There is three types of stations are based on their mobility in wireless LAN technology. Then first one is no transmission, and second one is BSS transmission, and third one is ESS transmission. No transmission means a station with no transmission mobility is either stationary or moving only inside a BSS. BSS transition is a station with BSS transition mobility can move from one BSS to another, but the movement is confined inside one ESS. ESS transmission means that the mobility can move from one ESS to another. And the collision avoidance in the WAN technology is it could be follow the exactly the same algorithm as Ethernet. Wait until the link becomes idle before transmitting and back off should the collision occur. And there is two types of problem: hide node problem and exposed node problem. Here consider the A and C are both within the range of B but not with each other. Suppose A and C want to communicate with B, and so they each send a frame to B, and A and C are unaware of each other since there is a signal do not carry the fare. So these two frames collide with each other at last. Okay, and then neither A or C is aware of this collision. This could not be occurred. An exposed node problem means each of four nodes consider that each of four nodes is able to send and receive the signals that reaches the just then nodes to immediate right and left. Suppose B is sending to A, node C is aware of this communication because it's here B transmission. If at the same time the C wants to transmit to the node D, it could be a mistake. However, for a C to conclude that it cannot transmit to the anyone just because it can hear B transmission. So this is called as the exposed problem. Although B and C can expose to each other signals, there is no interference if B transmit to the A and while C transmit to D. And these are the details and features about the wireless LAN technologies. It is the fastest growing technology because there is lot of advantages to use it. Um, because nowadays all in all public areas and college campus and buildings or uses the wireless LAN technologies, so it is very useful for the users, and that's all. Thank you all.